Good morning, Racks. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, which makes today National Bunsen Burner Day. That's what we got. We don't have a lot going on today. A couple reminders from yesterday. The need for social distancing is greater than ever. The numbers are going to keep going up over the next few weeks. They can go up a lot more if we're not careful about it. And you definitely don't want yourself or somebody else ending up in a hospital over the next few weeks. So make sure to keep washing those hands. Don't put your hands in your mouth. That's how the germs spread. We're not in school until at least April 15th, and it could be more than that. Stay tuned. That's why you got to keep doing your online learning. And today we do our workouts usually every day at noon and 3:30. Today at 3:30 we're going to be doing a basketball workout if you want to join in on that. The only birthday I had found was J-Rock. His birthday was today. So I guess it's a win. Win, 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 win. All right, that's all I got for today. Good day to get learning, Racks. Have a great day.